Let me show you how to read stock charts inside of Robinhood. If you're trying to trade a particular stock and you're trying to look at the trading chart, let me show you the way that you can read it. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up a web browser on your laptop, because it's going to be a lot easier from if you do it from your desktop or your laptop, and then open up the stock that you're trying to look at. I'm just going to pick out Tesla right here. Now, as soon as you do that, you're going to get this mini chart straight away, which is going to tell you the trend of the stock that you just picked. If you want a broader view and want to look at it in detail, you can also click on the advanced option that is showing on the top right. Just click on the advanced option and a new chart will open up where you can look at it in detail. Now this is going to be the line chart. In order to look at it in detail, click on this icon on the top right and make sure you switch it to candlestick. Candlestick is the most used indicator for reading prices. So as you can see, all of these candles represent 1 day of price action. If you switch over to 1 week, each candlestick will switch from 1 day to now 1 week. But for now, let's keep it to 1 day. All of the green candles represent a bullish day and a red candle represents a bearish day. What you can also do inside of this platform is add in indicators such as moving averages and RSI. So by default, all of these are enabled. You can just turn it on and these indicators will be added to your chart. Now, if you're really trying to learn technical analysis and trade in detail, Robinhood is just a brokerage. You can learn much better in a charting platform such as TradingView or MetaTrader, which are two of the most popular platforms. So if you head over to TradingView, you can see these stocks charts in much detail, and you can also zoom in and zoom out and also switch between time frames if you like doing so as well. So if you really want to trade and learn charting, make sure you switch from a brokerage to a charting platform such as TradingView or MetaTrader. So that was the video about the way that you read stock prices inside of Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.